Okay, so on the side, looks like you got repair job, small repair job. The brick looks good. You have dual vanity. You don't get any sun in the side of the house because you got all kinds of moss growing. And you can see it growing on the units. The fascia looks alright. I don't know what that remote control is doing in the window. That's weird. I can tell you that on the home inspection, they will make note of the grading because it just, I mean, not, it always comes up, but it comes in a little bit, not out like it should be. It's not a major problem.